As many of you know, bleach is awesome for cleaning. You can clean a lot of things with bleach and it works very effectively. That being said, there are certain things that you might be cleaning with bleach that you're most likely damaging. So let's talk about it. Number one on this list, if you are using a bleach-based cleaner for stainless steel, that is a big no. Don't do it. You are going to cause damage to the stainless steel. It corrodes the finish of it, so don't use it. Number two, natural stone. I actually just got back from a beautiful vacation, but the place I was staying at, you can see, and you see this time and time again, where cleaners use a bleach-based cleaner on the shower tile. And you see those streaks going down. There is nothing you can do to clean that off. You have to refinish the entire stone. You have to, that's a fixing job, no longer a cleaning job. So if you use a bleach-based cleaner on stuff like marble, quartz for countertops or tile finishes, you will in fact cause damage if you use bleach. So please don't do that. Number three on this list, anything with color when it comes to fabrics. So if you're doing upholstery cleaning, if you want to clean a stain, never ever use bleach. You will cause a bleach stain, or same for carpet cleaning, or if you're cleaning your clothes. If you use bleach on colors, it will pull the dye out of the fabrics and leave a bleach stain behind forever. Number four, anything that is wood-based. So kitchen cabinets or floors, anything that is wood-based, baseboards, never ever use bleach. You will warp the wood and you will ruin the finish of it and cause some serious damage and staining. And last on this list, number five, this is a little less common, but don't use any bleach-based cleaners for anything that is plastic. That will also cause some damage. So lastly, this is for all you bleach lovers out there. I'm not saying bleach is not an effective cleaning chemical. It obviously works great, but try to avoid using it on these items because you will cause damage. So keep that in mind. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more cleaning tips.